Boom. Dang.
Damn tree.
Hang on. Jeez, I'm holy shit.
See, I need to keep it level like this so you can see what the angle we're on.
Oh, look at this. Don't put your hand out, dude. Oh my God, don't do that.
When that thing rolls over, it's gonna break it.
We're gonna scrape that rock. You watch.
Ah!
Don't put your hands out by that window.
Oh!
Yep, door ain't gonna open now.
Oh man, I knocked my handle off.
Oh, I did!
I bet it don't open up no more.
The handle's just hanging there. Yeah.
The door handle's there. It might still work. We might have to put a piece of string on it or something. Yeah, Jimmy, I don't know if your Jeep would have made this one here, dude.
No.
I would have made it, but
It would have made it, but it wouldn't have looked so good after we got done. I don't know. I'd have to have the bigger tires to be able to do the shit they're doing right now, especially to get the clearance. Whew! This isn't exactly where I would want to bring mine.
Buchanan, you'd be alright. You know, just riding around, you know, watching everybody do things in their mud and stuff. You wouldn't go back in the trails, but...
How's everybody behind us? Or did anybody even follow us?
Yeah, they're coming.
Oh man, there goes a mirror.
We don't need the mirror anyway.
Well,
It's hanging.
We got a door handle hanging, we got a mirror hanging.
Man, I can't even see my door handle.
Is it gone? Oh, because the mirror you can't see.
Yeah, you notice how he's doing your side.
You notice that? It never leans to his frickin' side. It's always to my side.
Baby.
You just smeared the window up. Now I
I
can't.
sure hope they know where they're going. Because if we got to go back
We gotta go back up.
We're in trouble.
Look, they're all smiling like, uh-oh. Guess what, dude?
Is my mirror hanging there, Gail?
Yeah,
or is
Yeah, it's hanging.
Okay. I can screw it back on.